What's jamming, guys? Jamie here. Today what I've done is like a broken china doll with the galaxy kind of inside. If you'd like to see how I did this tutorial, stay tuned. That is coming up right next. If you like this sort of video, give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe. I'm going to be trying to post more of these types of videos on my channel. So definitely don't want to miss that, alright? Also leave comments down below if there's any specific thing you would like me to try. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be doing now is I've got my body paints, water, and a fine tip brush. I am going to be going in and getting a black paint. What I'm going to be doing with this is starting on my face, I am going to be doing the outline of the cracks. I do apologize, I'm extremely left-handed, but you can see me starting to apply where I'm going to look broken and put the galaxy in. Now, because I like to do things completely opposite and at random whenever I'm doing any video, completely forgot to glue my eyebrow. The reason I'm gluing it down is it's a lot easier to put paint on than my actual brow. Now what I'm doing is I've mixed a nice purple and I'm going in and I'm just going to cover the entire inside of the crack in the exact same purple color. This is going to give me a great base to start transforming into the galaxy. Next thing I'm going to be doing is I've then mixed a little bit of a lighter purple and I'm just going to start making swirls. So like one big swoop and then going up the nose, and then it's going to eventually go around the eyebrow. This is to start creating depth, because whenever you see like a galaxy, it's all spiral and it's never one color. Now after I have that, I am going to go in with a black. I'm just gonna again follow the circular part, but I'm gonna mainly do the black on the bottom. So like on the bottom where the crack first starts, and then I'm also going to do a little bit by my brow. After I have the black completely on, I then go in with a third purple. This one is a lot lighter, but again, this is going to give that depth. And then finishing off, I add some white mixtures, all spiral, to really give emotion and depth to the galaxy. Once I like how this turned out, so I'm now going in with the whites. It is with the same fine brush. You can obviously use a different one. I only have one fine tip one, so I'm going to be just using the same. I've wiped it off, went into the white, and I am now going to randomly start putting stars on my face, all different depths. This just gives the galaxy the more realistic feel. After I'm done and happy with the amount of stars I have inside, I then go back to the black and I am just starting to give the cracks a little bit darker. This makes it look like my face is cracked more. If I see that I need more cracks, then I'm adding cracks. After I'm done that, I go in with a gray. This is to start smudging out where the cracks are because it gives it a more 3D look. After I go with the gray, I then go with a white to give it that kind of shine to it. 100% satisfied with the way the galaxy looks and the cracks, I'm going in and I am just going to do my full face in makeup. This is because it is partially like a beauty look. So I'm going in doing my normal makeup, adding purple to the eyelids, doing my eyeliner on both sides. I've added one little white star on the opposite eye just to go with the look. Finish it off with doing the eyebrows, lipstick, and I called it a day. I absolutely love how this look turned out. I hope you all enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. I will see you next time with another Jammin' Beauty.